If I had seen this item that I'm about to show you earlier, my stovetop wouldn't be looking like this. A very warm welcome to the channel. My name is YummyCash. Today we are unboxing and reviewing the stovetop cover. You can get this durable stovetop cover from Amazon, and I'm going to leave the link down in the description. In the products, you'll find this manual or the leaflet which has the instructions on how to use this product. It is written in English and also in Chinese language. Alright, this is what you are going to get when you order for yours. It is really beautiful and I so much love it. It is a non-slip cover. It stays on one place when you are using it. Really flexible and easy also to fold it. Now on the instruction it stated that you have to make sure your stovetop is very well clean before spreading the cover on it. So this is what I started doing by cleaning my stovetop very well. Alright, I am done with the cleaning, and as you can see my stovetop is well damaged. I don't have money now to get myself a new one, so I make sure it is well dried before spreading the cover on top of it. This cover comes in different sizes. If you want it 100 by 200, 200 by 50, any size that you want, you can just order for it, and it is really easy to clean too. Apart from the sizes, there are different colors to choose to match your desired kitchen decor. Is this not beautiful? Because it is fireproof and waterproof hub cover, it can resist heat for a very long period of time. So because I was not too sure of it, I decided to do a little test on it, and trust me, everything went on perfect. The only problem I had with the cover or the waterproof fireproof hub cover became very hot, which is very normal. Now this is after about 10 minutes and you can see it is not burning. I was afraid in a way. You can use this cover top for your electric cooker, your glass ceramic hobs, or your air fryer. It is very good. Now I am done with the cooking, and as you can see, this is what the outcome is. It is not burnt, but it is super hot, so you need to be very careful. It is flexible and easy to fold after you are done using it for storage. It is really high quality. You can also use it as a drying mat when you are done washing or cleaning your utensils. I advise you to get yourself one. I will leave the link to buy this product in the description. Go grab yourself one. As always, thank you so very much for watching this video, and I hope to see you again in another unboxing and review video. Till then, always remember to do everything in love, and whenever you think food, think YummyCash. Cheers.